Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Katamasa KYLLENG kabasausngi ya kablatim kum ka Megha Kayak Festival kalapoi sa kabakut hakakhandru tarik Urisau aja RPR Hawa Umtro Riboy District. Hakne Katamasa kablapulong da Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society lawan IASHIMBYNTA da palat hispa angut kinong KYLLENG na kumba arpo tali kiri jong ka PYRTHEI Brockway. IASHIMBYNTA ru da kinong shong shnong bar kisamla jong ka shnong tham Kibla pao ya kajing kemen ba kajing so tanat ban yo IASHIMBYNTA hakum gini kijat tamasa. Kinong mi khamat ja Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Uyan Vincent bar Kashila Vincent. Kilapun pao kajing so mo ya baro kinawan IASHIMBYNTA hakani katamasa bar kumjuru ya baro kinong kashan kibla pulong ikani katamasa kabajab. Hakani kasngikut la samru iki khusnam shaboro kinong job. Hakibynta prepare.
Are you ready? Are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the comeback? You know we the ones that ready for whatever. We gon' have to show them something, man. Let me see them hands up all the way front back. You don't understand that I'm doing what you can't with no cap. This is the return of the one. You ain't see him coming, you just heard drums. They've been ready for the battle. Any person that comes got the weight of the world on them. Yeah, they too strong. I might have been down, not out. It's on sight, you gon' figure that out. And I might have been down, not out. Only one thing I gotta know now is, are you ready for the comeback? Yeah. Are you ready for the Are you ready for the comeback? You know we the ones that. Let me see them hands up all the way front back. Yeah, it's the comeback. Are you ready for the comeback? Comeback. Are you ready for the comeback?
Yeah, it's just the river made it even more interesting. There was a lot of waves, a lot of moves. You have to be really precise and really good, otherwise you would be flushed out of the line. And yeah, it's super fun. It was a great day. I'm glad I took something to bring home to my family, and yeah, it was a great experience. How was the final? It was the round that we were much closer, so nobody could just really go out after the first sprint. So we were really close. We fight on every upstream. And then other two guys in front of me had missed the line, so I managed to recover and to got them in the last up. And yeah, so I'm super happy about the fight. We all had fun, and yeah, I'm super happy about the day. It's one of the best experiences of my life, not just the race, but all the area is beautiful. I'm having so much fun, and Indian people were so nice to me, and especially from here in Meghalaya. I hope I will get the chance to be back and to run another event like this. I'm absolutely fell in love with India, so I'm sure I will be back one day.
Morgan in the lead. Sophia and also